Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add Spotify overlay to your videos in the CapCut Mobile. So here, just add your video first, then click on overlay and then add your Spotify overlay. So I use a screen recorder to record this overlay like this. Then you can just go to transform and crop only the title part. Oops, this one like this. Click on a check icon and then go to splice or blend, then find the dodge. Okay, this one, click on a check icon and adjust it like this. For example, here you can also go to adjust to get rid of the edges of the overlay. Okay, like that, for example. And then after that, you can also go to mask and use a feather. Here, click on the mirror, adjust the size and have some blurred edges. Click on a check icon so you can place it anywhere you like. You can put it at the bottom or at the top like this. And this is the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.